Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G60. In this video I'll show you how to search for presets. In the beginning, let's go to Logitech G Hub and go to Assignments. Now, browse Community for presets. Here is the list of most recent, most popular, most downloaded, alphabetic and trending presets. Simply select presets, download, login, complete your account, launch app. Now when the profile is downloaded, go back to app, and custom preset is downloaded. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.